Welcome back to the Financial Context channel. Ready to embark on a journey through the world of financial services on Fiverr? We're about to explore an array of offerings that can transform your financial landscape. But before we start, check the link in the description for quick access to Fiverr's financial services. 1. Gig. Tax consulting. First up, tax consulting services. Navigating the complexities of taxes? Fiverr's tax consulting experts have got you covered, from filing returns to optimizing deductions. What's even more exciting is that these services aren't limited to a specific location. Thanks to Fiverr's global network of freelancers, you can find tax experts offering their services for a multitude of countries worldwide. Whether you're in the United States, India, the United Kingdom, or any other corner of the globe, there's a tax professional ready to assist you. So, let's explore how these experts can make tax season a breeze for you, regardless of where you are. For first-time filers or those with questions about deductions and credits, Fiverr's tax consulting gigs connect you with professionals who understand the tax regulations of various countries. 2. Gig. Financial planning. Now, financial planning services. These experts are like personal financial architects. They'll help you craft a roadmap to achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for a home, planning for education, or ensuring a comfortable retirement. Fiverr connects you with professionals who understand your unique needs, providing personalized strategies to secure your financial future. 3. Gig. Business plan writing. Thinking of starting a business? Explore business plan writing services on Fiverr. These freelancers don't just create business plans, they craft compelling narratives that speak to investors and stakeholders. Whether you're seeking funding or clarifying your business vision, Fiverr's business plan writing experts ensure your ideas are presented with impact and clarity. 4. Gig. Financial analysis. Now, financial analysis services. Beyond numbers, these professionals decipher the story behind your financial data. Whether you're a business owner wanting to evaluate performance or an individual planning investments, Fiverr's financial analysts provide insights that empower you to make informed decisions, turning complex data into actionable strategies. 5. Gig. Financial forecast and modeling. Planning for the future? Explore financial forecast and modeling services on Fiverr. These freelancers specialize in predicting financial trends, helping you make strategic decisions for your business or personal finances. With accurate forecasting and modeling, you gain a clear vision of what lies ahead, enabling you to navigate confidently. 6. Online trading lessons. Interested in the world of online trading? Fiverr offers online trading lessons, connecting you with experienced traders who share their expertise. Learn the ins and outs of stocks, forex, and more, gaining valuable insights and strategies to navigate the dynamic world of online trading confidently. 7. Analysis, valuation and optimization. Unlock the power of data with analysis, valuation and optimization services. Fiverr connects you with professionals skilled in analyzing financial data, valuing assets, and optimizing strategies for maximum returns. Whether you're managing investments or optimizing business operations, Fiverr's experts bring precision to your financial decisions. 8. Personal finance and wealth management. For personalized financial guidance, explore personal finance and wealth management services on Fiverr. These experts understand that every financial journey is unique. Whether you're saving for a goal, managing debt, or planning for retirement, Fiverr connects you with professionals who tailor their advice to your individual situation, ensuring financial success on your terms. Now that you've discovered the world of financial services on Fiverr, let's quickly guide you on how to use this platform. Step 1. Click the link in the description. This link takes you directly to Fiverr, where a world of financial services awaits you. Step 2. Sign up. On Fiverr's homepage, click Sign Up, fill in your details, and verify your email. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Step 3. Log in. Log in to your new account. Step 4. Find your gig. Use the search bar or explore the financial services category. Select your gig, proceed to checkout, and review your order. Step 5. Complete order. Choose your payment method, enter details, and click Complete Order. There you go. With a few clicks, you've unlocked Fiverr's expertise. Ready to start? Click the link in the description to explore financial services on Fiverr.